Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok video. In this video, I want to talk about the Rotoscope filter, which many people are using on TikTok, and I would like to answer the question, is it possible to remove this filter from a TikTok video? So, if you go to your TikTok app and search for Rotoscope, you'll see these videos using the filter where the user records themselves without the filter first, and then after a few seconds, the Rotoscope filter starts. I've seen many comments and YouTube videos where people are showing you how to remove this filter from a TikTok video using the editing app by changing the brightness and contrast and then adding a filter on top. Unfortunately guys, sorry to disappoint you, but there is no app that can remove the Rotoscope filter from an existing TikTok video. All the videos or comments you see about them removing it is a scam or just a hype for people to see their YouTube video. If you look at the filter, it colors the person in a block of colors. You cannot see any details, hence you cannot return back to the original video. For all of you who have filmed yourself taking out your clothes using this filter, don't worry, your dignity is still safe and behind that filter for no one to see. And that is the truth for the Rotoscope filter. You cannot remove the Rotoscope filter on a TikTok video. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.